Hey guys, it's Neon Cat Kim here, and I'm going to be showing you my slime and squishies collection. So let's get started. First, I'll be showing you my slime collection. So I have this orange one, which looks way brighter on camera, but it's really nice. And I have to hurry now because my camera is weird and it won't pick up every single footage. So I have one of my favorite slime, Boba Slime, which I used Orbeez beads, and if you try to make this, it's going to get sticky, so you need some activator. This is one of my favorites, and I made a honeydew. Oh, and first I want to give out to shout-outs to all my Filipinos. Because if you don't know me, I'm Filipino too, so. Okay, every day from now on, I'm going to be doing a challenge question for all Filipinos, so comment down below your answer. I'll be saying a Filipino word, and if you guess it, I will shout out your name in my next video. So this is the word kamusta. So if you think you know it, comment down below, and I'll shout out all your names if you get it right. I have this sherbet slime, which is really pretty. Another one of your ones. So. Some of my slimes are back there. I only had these 3 up here. I have this pink slime. It's like a baby pink, which is one of my favorites because it's really fluffy and I love it. And it smells like I put like a lot of perfume. So this perfume, and it smells amazing. It smells like flowers, which I am never throwing this or giving it away. So it used to be like about right there, that high, and I used all of it because I wish you guys can smell it. It smells so good. And it's so fucking good, guys. I have this yellow one, which you guys might not recognize this container from under, but I got it in the Philippines. It used to be a candy container. And it's just this yellow one, which is kind of hard, but that's grumpy. Sorry if I'll be coughing on this video, but I'm just a little sick in the throat. I almost didn't close this right. I have this really pretty green one, which it's the same as the yellow one, but different colors. Because I made one giant slime. I made one white giant slime, which is also this one. But then I added different colors. So here's a giant white slime, which is not so giant after all now. I have this slime right here, which is also from the giant one. I thought that was like opening this. Yeah, and it's a giant pink one. These, do I have any more? I made a lot from my gallon of glue. I have a little bit more left, but I don't know if I have any more. Just let me calm down for a second. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my squishy collection because I think I have no more. Yep, I have no more. Okay, so I have this watermelon, which is really squishy. I have one of my favorite squishies is like this really cute dog or cat thing. I don't know because it's kind of confusing, but it's super slow racing. And just saying, I got all these squishies at Michael's. And you guys are probably like, no, but they restock and they got really cute new squishies. So go check them out. Okay. I have this seal. trying to organize it. I have 2 ducks, which I brought one to school, but it got stuck in my binder, the little rings part, and it cut it right there. Well, that's why I bought 2, because I keep one at school. And here's this the other one. With no defects. Wow. I have this bunny that used to have a keychain and a face, but my brother ripped it off. But I love the yellow ones because they're super squishy. I have this one which has a keychain and it used to have a face, but again, my brother ripped it off. And I will get more squishies, but these are the ones I have. And I just have this really cute squishy dog. And some of them are hard, like the one I got before. But then I just gave it to my brother's teacher. So while you're here, I'm going to organize my squishy collection. So I gotta be fast now. Because my phone is about to die. Oh my god, that's a lot. I'm going to show you my thing, which you might not see very well. I'm sorry if you can't see it though. Well, bye.